Look, she blends. There's the birds. Brian just filled the bird feeder, so they put the word out, and now everybody's come to eat. And she's being stealth. I think they could land on the ground and eat bird seed and she'd still be in the same position. Because she's not very bright.
See 8 or 9 little peeps.
Yeah, there's a lot of them in the
Staring at Kitty.
there's a lot of them in the bushes, but they don't look too afraid of her.
No. Their hunger is going to get to them.
Yeah, she won't.
No.
Look. Oh, here they come. Oh, they're sitting right on the fence. Look at that, Kitty. Look at them. Oh my gosh.
One of them went for the bird feeder. It's on the back side of the bird feeder.
Oh, so one of them is actually on the bird feeder. And she noticed, but still does nothing.
Stupid dove scared everybody away.
Uh-oh. She's posting up. Look, you can't even see her. She blends. Oh my gosh. And look, she loses interest. Apparently she sees something.
It's probably a lizard.
Forget all of the birds that are up in the tree waiting to get to the bird feeder.
There's a lizard on the other side of the fence.
Instead, let's go for the lizard on the other side of the fence. Now, let's measure. Look at Kitty's butt. Look at the height of the hole under the fence. I don't think that lizard has anything to worry about.
Doves on the sidewalk outside the fence.
Okay. Well, I don't think the doves have anything to worry about.
No.
Because her big butt will not get under that fence. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Kitty? What are you gonna do?
She acts like she's gonna like do something.
I know.
I mean, she like moves her butt, she moves her feet, and yet she doesn't do a thing. She just.
Because there's one right outside of the gate. I can see it.
And look at the birds. Now look at all the birds on the fence and on the bushes. My God.
They're all posted up right in that palm tree.
They can't wait to get to that food. But she is looking under the fence. Not the sharpest tool in the shed. Kitty, look. The birdies are up there. Oh my gosh. But Kitty isn't. Is she even looking under the fence anymore? Now she's just staring at rocks? I don't. What are you doing? Oh, Kitty. That's why you're an indoor kitty. Because you don't know how to be outside. Look, the bird is actually on the bird feeder. The bird flew onto the bird feeder. And she's still right there. That's awesome. Bird feeder, kitty. They might as well just go to town. She's not going to do anything. Oh, something's going to happen. Something's going to happen. Something's going to happen. Now watch, we're going to get all excited and she's going to lose interest. What are you going to do, kitty? Uh-oh, wind's blowing. That's confusing. Stuff is moving. Seriously, look at her looking around. She can't even. she can't even pay attention for more than like 2 minutes. If that. 2 seconds. Oh, there she comes.
You see them all up in the palm tree?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
See them all on the branch?
Yes.
It's a nice shot. Oh, just their little silhouettes.
There they are.
Waiting for Kitty to move.
And yet, Kitty, who can't pay attention very long,
I guarantee those little birds have nothing to fear.
yeah, I'm pretty sure, too. Well, remember the time she caught the grasshopper? It played dead, she walked away, and it hopped off. So, she doesn't know what to do, even if she catches something. And she couldn't catch anything that big, and, I mean, she's caught a lizard before, but barely.
But then again, she lost interest, it played dead, and then
And
it was gone.
it was gone. And I think it was a slow lizard too. It wasn't even a sharp one. That sucker moved real slow. Look at her. She can't even, they're right on the fence waiting to get the food, and she'll lose interest and turn around and, you know, what's going on over here? Okay. Something going on over by the fence. Wow. Look at her. She literally, she loses interest.
Because the wind blew.
Oh, because there's kids coming. She's going to freak out. Watch. If they walk by here, she's going to run in the house. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Children.
And they see the birds. Oh. Yep. Yep. Here comes the children's. I have to run. She can't figure out whether she wants to stay or not. Oh, all the birds went away. The wind is blowing. Oh my God, the wind's blowing. Ah! What do we do? Uh-oh. Oh, here we go. Run away. Run away. The wind blew. Oh my God, there's
time to go inside.
people. Look at her. I think she's still turning around. It's okay, it's just people.
Ready to go inside?